How can I fix the no signal issue on my Element TV?
Hello and welcome, everyone. Today we're going to be tackling a common issue that can occur with your Element TV, the no signal error. This is a frustrating problem, but don't worry. With a few simple steps, we can help you get your TV up and running again. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through some of the most effective troubleshooting methods.
What causes a no signal error?
The first thing we need to understand is what might be causing the no signal error. Most commonly, it's due to a problem with the source device or the cable connection to your TV. This could be due to your cable box, game console, DVD player, or any other device that is connected to your TV.
How to check your source device?
The first step in resolving this issue is to check your source device. Make sure the device is powered on and properly connected to your TV. If it's a cable box or game console, try resetting the device by turning it off, unplugging it, waiting for a minute, and then plugging it back in.
How to check your cable connection?
If checking the source device didn't solve the problem, the next step is to inspect your cable connections. Ensure that all cables are securely connected, not damaged, and are in the correct ports. If possible, try using a different cable, or connect the source device to a different TV port to check if the issue is with the cable or the port.
Is the right input source selected?
Another common cause for the no signal error is that the TV is not set to the correct input source. To fix this, use your Element TV remote and press the Input or Source button. A list of available input sources will appear. Select the one that corresponds to the device you're trying to use.
Have you tried a factory reset?
If all else fails, the final solution would be a factory reset. Remember, this step will revert your TV to its original settings, so you will need to reconfigure it afterwards. To do a factory reset, navigate to the TV's menu using your remote, select Settings, then Advanced, and finally, Factory Reset. And that's how you fix the no signal issue on your Element TV. It can be a little frustrating, but with these simple steps, you'll be back to enjoying your favorite shows in no time. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing.